Good morning, class 5th. Today again we have started chapter number 4, that is the nervous system. At the last time we have discussed the brain and their different parts. Again I have repeated some important points. Then brains is the main organ of the nervous system, and it is a soft organ which control all the function of our body. And there are three parts of the brain. First one is the cerebrum, second one is the cerebellum, and the third one is the medulla. And cerebrum, it is the largest part, and they are control sense organs, and it is the center of the intelligence. And cerebellum, it is a X-shaped structure. They have control voluntary actions and maintains balance of our body. And medulla, it is the stem-shaped structure, connects brain to spinal cord, and it's control the involuntary actions. And today we have learned that topic, it is the spinal cord, that the thick spinal cord extend down from the medulla to the lower end of the backbone, and it is enclosed in the hard bony vertebral column, and it connects the brain to different parts of our body through the nerves, and it is responsible for the transfer of information between the brain and the rest of the body. Second topic, that is the nerves. And here the nerves are long thread-like structure made of cells. They are called nerve cells, and they carry messages to and from the spinal cord and the brain to the different parts of the human body. Again I have repeated, the nerves long thread-like structure made of cells called the nerve cells, and they carry messages and to and from the spinal cord and brain to the different parts of the human body. The nervous system from the head and the neck join the brain directly, while the nerves from the other parts of the body, they are connected to the spinal cord. Here the types of the nerves. The nerves, they are divided in three parts. First one is the sensory nerves, second one is the motor nerves, and third one is the mixed nerves. Sensory nerves are carry message from the sense organs to the brain or the spinal cord, and these messages are information about the such things as temperature, smell, color, or pressure. And second, the motor nerves. These nerves send message from the brain or the spinal cord to the muscles of the different organs. These are the messages that makes the muscles move. And third, the mixed nerves. This mixed nerve connect the sensory nerves and the motor nerves, and these nerves are work with into the two way. First, they have carry the message from the brain or spinal cord to the different organs. Second, they bring message from the organs to the spinal cord or the brain. These nerve cells are found in the brain and the spinal cord. Here I have mentioned the diagrammatic representation of the nervous system. Here it is the nervous system. They are divided into two parts. First one is the central nervous system, and second one is the peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system, they are divided into two parts. First one is the brain, and second one is the spinal cord. Spinal cord, they have connected brain and peripheral nervous system, and here the peripheral nervous system, they are divided into two parts. First one is the somatic nervous system. It's control voluntary muscles, and second one is the automatic nervous system. It's control involuntary body functions. And autonomic nervous system, they are divided in a two way. First one is the sympathetic nervous system, and second one is the parasympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic nervous system, they are arrow uses body to extend energy, and here the parasympathetic nervous system, it's claim body to conserve and maintain the energy. Again I have repeated that things, the nervous system, they are divided into two parts. First one is the central nervous system, second one is the peripheral nervous system. Central nervous systems are divided in a two way. First one is the brain, second one is the spinal cord. And peripheral nervous system, they are divided in a two way. First one is the somatic and second one is the autonomic nervous system. And autonomic nervous system, they are divided in a two part. First one is the sympathetic and second one is the parasympathetic nervous system. Okay, then class, today I have been a session here, and today's your question is what happens to the nerves system during the sleep. Again I have repeated that question, what happens to the nervous system during sleep. Okay, then thank you class, and we have meet in your next video. Then thank you.